Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 29th, 2021. Robinhood halts GameStop rally by retail investors. The army of retail investors, also known as the 2.8 million little guys from the Reddit forum WallStreetBets, who have guided Wall Street professionals in recent days, took a hit Thursday after online brokers restricted purchases of the red-hot GameStop and other stocks that soared this week. Short squeeze stocks rose after the market closed as Robinhood and other platforms said they would limit purchases of a number of securities on Friday and could make necessary adjustments. Shares of GameStop, Corp, and AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. lost more than 40% in value after surging in recent sessions. On the same day, Robinhood was criticized for imposing restrictions on securities trading. Lawmakers called on the company to lift trading restrictions, saying the platform unfairly froze the actions of retail investors, while professional traders were allowed to trade as usual. And later Thursday, Robinhood said it would allow the stock to trade again on Friday. Ericsson's profits beat forecasts thanks to new 5G. Sweden's Ericsson reported key fourth-quarter earnings Friday, beating market estimates due to strong sales of 5G equipment. Meanwhile, the company continued to benefit from China's Huawei ban in several countries. The positive results summed up an eventful year in which the number of 4G telecom networks deployed also increased as operators ramped up their capabilities in response to the coronavirus pandemic and also accelerated deployment of 5G networks. Ericsson has also supported excluding the Chinese company from Sweden, highlighting that the Swedish telecom regulator's decision to exclude Chinese vendors from 5G networks may create exposure for its operations in China. The company's quarterly adjusted operating profit rose to 11 billion Swedish krona, $1.32 billion, up from 6.5 billion Swedish krona a year earlier, beating the average forecast of 8.58 billion Swedish krona according to Refinitiv estimates. Asian market rises following U.S. stocks rebound. Asia-Pacific stocks indices rose on Friday morning following indices in the U.S., which reversed a series of heavy losses suffered a day earlier on Thursday, thanks to online trading platforms taking steps to limit unprecedented and speculative volatility in several stocks. All U.S. indices ended Thursday's trading session positive, and Asian indices followed suit on the final day of a volatile week. Japan's Nikkei 225 was unchanged, while South Korea's Kospi was down 0.59%. Australia's S&P ASX 200 rose 0.49%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 0.33%, while the Shanghai Composite Index in northern mainland China rose 0.16%. On Thursday, U.S. indices closed the day in the green, recovering from a sharp drop the day before. Trading platforms including Robinhood and Interactive Brokers have restricted trading in several stocks that have soared this week to ease fears about the impact of their swings on the broader market. France's economy shrinks but less than predicted. France's economy returned to recession in the last quarter of last year, but not as much as expected due to the second national quarantine, official data showed Friday. The Eurozone's second-largest economy contracted 1.3% in the final 3 months of 2020 after growing 18.5% in the previous quarter as the economy recovered from the first national quarantine imposed to fight the pandemic coronavirus, statistics agency INSEE reported. The decline in GDP was less than the average 4% drop predicted by the 28 economists. It also means that for all of 2020, France's economy shrank 8.3%, overall better than the 11% decline the government projected in its budget plans.